how to redeem Capital One shopping rewards. So here's how it works. It is basically a free browser extension and mobile app that automatically searches for online coupons, better prices, and rewards at over 100,000 online retailers. So if you want to redeem your rewards, you will need to have clicked on Get Started. Then it's going to ask you to sign into your account here. So you will need to answer a few questions and sign into your account. Now, how can you redeem them? Go to CapitalOneShopping.com. So here, this is going to be the website. So CapitalOneShopping.com. You will need to click on it to open this page. And you can see the different offers here. So you can save at Walmart, 2% cashback. If you click on it, then it's going to open up the page and it's going to automatically apply the reward or the thing which was said in this page. So you can do this for these different retailers. You have different apps as well, such as Target, Verizon. And if you want to get the specific offer, then you will just click on Get This Offer and it's going to take you to the website and it will have applied the offer automatically. I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe. I will see you next time.